What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Jordan, and today we're going to be talking about what is the Calmar Ratio and how can it help you make better investment decisions. In my last video, I talked about the Sharpe ratio and its drawbacks, but in this video, we're going to talk about an improved model, which is the Calmar Ratio. And before I start out this video, I first want to make a point that it's very important that you measure your performance. But you might be saying, well, why is it important? Well, anybody can get lucky once in a while. For example, I have some friends that bought into the marijuana stocks when it was on the rise, and they looked like great investors. But now that the marijuana industry has cooled off, they aren't performing as well as they did. As an investor, it's vital that you measure your performance, especially if you want to go and raise capital. People need to see, okay, can this guy actually consistently outperform the market? The Calmar ratio is simply your expected return divided by how much drawdown you took from peak to trough. So drawdown is how much you lost from the peak of your portfolio. For example, if your portfolio went up 100% last year, but during that increase, you lost 50% at one point, then your max drawdown would have been 50%. And so to get the Calmar ratio, you would take your 100%, which is how much you made, divided by the 50% drawdown. In my Sharpe ratio video, we discussed two ETFs, HMMJ and SPY. And in this video, I think it's right that we compare them again, but using a different metric. Also, keep in mind that the S&P 500 did outperform on a Sharpe ratio basis, but is that true for the Calmar ratio? So since late 2017, S&P 500 had a drawdown of 20%. And the HMMJ ETF, which is the marijuana ETF, had a max drawdown, as you can see from this picture, of 45%. However, HMMJ has increased by 80% over the same period, while the S&P has only increased by 20%. So calculating the Calmar ratio for these ETFs is quite simple. We take how much they annualized on average, divided by what their maximum drawdowns were. And as you can see, HMMJ actually has a higher Calmar ratio. That means its drawdown was a lot less relative to its outperformance. And you were better off investing with HMMJ, the marijuana ETF, rather than the S&P 500. The Calmar ratio is my favorite personally, and I always use it to measure my performance. Hopefully you guys found this video a little insightful and are actually going to start implementing the Calmar ratio to track how well you guys have performed. In the comments down below, let me know how your portfolio performed over the year. Did anyone get a Calmar ratio greater than 1? Well guys, that'll do it for me for this video. In my next video, I'm going to be discussing a simple strategy that can beat the S&P 500. You guys won't want to miss it. If you like this video, smash that like button, comment in the box down below. Let me know what you guys like and dislike. Anyways, that'll do it for me. Cheers.